Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in WhatsApp in desktop. So for that, first of all, open a Google browser or any browser that you have been using. Then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in whatsapp.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of WhatsApp, and here in the official webpage, you need to click on WhatsApp web over here at the right side of your screen. Click that. It will direct you to this page over here. Now to log in into the WhatsApp, what you have to do is you need to open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and there you need to click on linked device. Then on your phone device, you need to tap on link a device. After that, you will need to put your phone camera on this scan code over here on the window screen. You just put your camera straight to the scan code from your WhatsApp. And right after this scanning process is completed, you will be logged in into the WhatsApp. So you must need your phone device to log in into the WhatsApp web. So this is how you can log in WhatsApp in desktop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.